Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to animate images in Google Slides. First, click on the image you want to animate. You'll see small blue squares appear around the edges. Those are the selection handles, and they mean the image is now selected. Next, go up to the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Animation and click on it. Once you do that, a panel called Motion will slide in from the right side of your screen. This is where you'll control all the animation settings. Now click the button that says Add Animation. It's right there in the Motion panel. Google Slides will automatically apply a default animation called Fade In on click to your image. To change the animation type, click on the drop-down where it says Fade In. This brings up a list of all the available effects. You've got options like Fade In, Fade Out, Fly In from different directions, left, right, top, or bottom, fly out, zoom out, spin, appear, and disappear. Just click the one you want and it'll be applied to your image. Right below the animation type drop-down, you'll see another drop-down for the animation trigger. Click on it to set when the animation should start. You've got three options here. On click, which means you need to click or press spacebar during your presentation to trigger it. That's the default. After previous, which starts the animation immediately after the previous one ends. And with previous, which starts at the same time as the previous animation. Choose whichever one fits your presentation flow. Now, if you want to adjust how fast the animation happens, look for the speed slider below the trigger drop-down. Drag it left to make the animation slower, or drag it right to make it faster. You can tweak this to match the pacing of your presentation. Finally, to preview what the animation will look like, click the play button in the Motion panel. The animation will play out on your slide so you can see exactly how it'll appear during your presentation. Here are a few things to keep in mind. If you want to add more than one animation to the same image, just click Add Animation again. You can layer multiple effects on a single object. To remove an animation you don't want anymore, expand it in the Motion panel and click the trash can icon next to it. And if you've got multiple animations on a slide and you want to change the order, just drag the little grid of dots icon next to each animation up or down. Thanks for watching.